Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of iPhone repairs and upgrades, specifically focusing on the iFixit teardown of the iPhone 17e. Now, I know what you're thinking, another iPhone review? But trust me, this one's a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and budget-conscious consumers. So let's get started. First things first, the iPhone 17e has been a hot topic since its release. While some were quick to point out its lack of MagSafe support, iFixit's teardown reveals a hidden gem for iPhone 16e owners. You see, the iPhone 17e's back panel isn't just MagSafe enabled. It's also cross-compatible with the iPhone 16e. Now, this might not seem like a big deal at first, but let me explain why it's actually pretty cool. Personally, I think this is a huge win for Apple, as it opens up a world of possibilities for those looking to upgrade or repair their devices. What makes this really interesting is the potential for iPhone 16e owners to add MagSafe functionality to their devices. By simply swapping the back panel, they can enjoy the benefits of wireless charging and accessory compatibility. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why didn't Apple just make the iPhone 16e MagSafe ready from the start? Well, in my opinion, it's all about the cost. MagSafe accessories are still relatively expensive, and by offering a simple upgrade, Apple is catering to those who want the functionality without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. iFixit's teardown also reveals that most components are cross-compatible between the iPhone 16e and iPhone 17e. This means that repairs and upgrades are not only easier but also cheaper. As iFixit notes, this level of part interchangeability is either a deliberate effort to make repairs more accessible or a byproduct of Apple's manufacturing process. Either way, it's a win for DIY consumers. Now let's talk about the teardown process itself. iFixit notes that the iPhone 17e's disassembly is very similar to that of the iPhone 16e and other recent iPhones. This means that repairs and upgrades are not only easier but also less time-consuming. However, iFixit also points out that removing the USB-C port is still a complicated process, which is a bit of a bummer. But hey, no one's perfect, right? So what does all this mean for iPhone 16e owners? Well, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer. If you're looking to upgrade your device, the iPhone 17e is a great option. Not only does it offer MagSafe support, but it also has a high level of part interchangeability, making repairs and upgrades a breeze. And let's not forget the fact that it's a more affordable option compared to the iPhone 17. In conclusion, the iFixit teardown of the iPhone 17e reveals a hidden gem for iPhone 16e owners. With its MagSafe-enabled back panel and cross-compatible components, the iPhone 17e is a win for DIY enthusiasts and budget-conscious consumers. So, if you're looking to upgrade or repair your iPhone, the iPhone 17e is definitely worth considering. And who knows, you might just find yourself enjoying the benefits of wireless charging and accessory compatibility without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analysis.